to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an acrylic set. So I have got these every Wednesday on Rachel Wilder's group. She does this amazing deal. So I took advantage of this amazing deal, and in my amazing deal, I got 7 old, these are the new packaging, right? Popcorn and whipped cream. I'm going to be using those, but these are the old ones. Some of them don't have stickers on. I think they've got so many, they're just trying to get rid of them. They're like £1 if you buy them on the website. So I'm going to be using those, and they went really nicely with this Under the Sea glitter from Nail Sugar, which I haven't used yet. I'm trying to use glitters that I haven't used because I feel like I use all the same glitters. I've also now, look, I've got some monomer. Rachel Wilder's kindly sent me some of her monomer, which was really, really kind of her. So I am going to be using the correct monomer with the correct polymer, the correct powder. So what can I tell you? Yes, you can get 10% off any glitters using my code NATMUG10 from Nail Sugar. Did you see? Look at all the bubbles coming out of my brush. This is why it's very important to burp your brush. There were like loads of bubbles in there. If you didn't see them, rewind them. There was like loads. I was like, geez. Right, anyway, I don't know what the green and the blue's called, but this pink one, oh my God, it's stunning. It's called Cherry Bomb. Some of the old ones, some of the old acrylics, they don't do anymore. So bear in mind that might not be available anymore if you go to buy it. Popcorn and whipped cream are available. They are like current, and they were like older ones. Well, no, they're current, not older. They're current. By the way, please don't judge me on this set. I've got a clear tip here, and I've got the other ones are natural coloured because I was trying to use some tips up. But you don't. Excuse me. I got my son's summer cold, so you know why I was ill for 9 or 10 days, I think it was, with bloody food poisoning, a food poisoning called Campylobacter it was. Oh, what the heck? I've never even heard of it. We had now I'm not saying for certain it is, but on the Saturday evening we had a takeaway from the kebab shop, and I had a burger. And I wonder if it was the burger, because other than that, we'd all eaten the same thing. I think that was pretty much the only thing that we'd eaten differently, because we all had something different. So I think it's that, because on the Sunday, I was bad. Yeah, I mean, I had a high temperature for 4 days, and then the bum end didn't stop until like the following Monday-ish. So it was like over a week of tummy cramps and running to the top. Luckily, nothing came out the top end, because I hate being sick. Oh, that's the worst. Anyway, we don't want to talk about that. And anyway, yeah. So, and now I've got my son's summer cold. I think I'm probably just a bit run down, so I've easily got my son's cold. But anyway, I don't mind a cold. This one is bearable. So, by the way, my marbles, I'm terrible at acrylic marbles. Like, what are you doing, Nats? What are you doing? Also, I need to inform you guys that if you're not in my group on Facebook, I have got now I've had it for ages. I've just never really used it. There's a few videos on there, but they're like really short ones. I don't even know what I was doing. But I've got a second channel. It's called Natalie Mugridge, a bit of everything. I thought I would use that one to put videos on of things that are just not nail related, because I think some people would prefer this channel to be like nail related, and then everything else can go on the other channel. So I don't know what I'm gonna put on it yet, but I'll link it down below. And it'll probably just be full of silly stuff, because I am mostly silly. But I'm going to have that also as well on this channel. There is, as you're watching the video, I'm not saying, I'm just mentioning it, right? Because everything is shit at the moment. Honestly, I was contemplating getting a job this morning, because I don't want to go into the ins and outs of things, but money is really tight at the moment. And anyway, there's this feature on YouTube now. If you look below the video where it says like, subscribe and all that, there's a little thing that says thanks. And it's a bit like super chats in lives. You can donate some money, I think. Yeah, you can, but it's not like that. It's actually, you can just donate while you're watching a video. So there is that. If anyone would like to ever use that, it would be greatly appreciated. But I'm not saying do it. But I kind of am. But I'm kind of not. I'm just saying it's there if you ever want to use it, because I want to carry on doing YouTubes. I don't want to have to get a job. This is my job as far as I'm concerned. Also, though, another thing that I'm going to do to try and earn some extra money, I'm going to make up some press-on nail sets. I'm not going to do custom ones. What I'm going to do is, well, I suppose they are custom ones, aren't they? But I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to make big sets so that I don't have to faff around with sizing. Hopefully there will be enough different shaped nails in the set that people can just buy the set and then have, you know, oh, by the way, this is the glitter. Oh, it's so sexy. Reminds me a bit of Oil Slick. I'm not talking about the set of nails, I'm just waffling on. But yeah, I'm going to be doing some press-on nail sets, but I will sell them on, I've got a little shop on my Facebook page. There's like a little shop that I think I can sell them through that on Facebook. Also, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, my Funko Pops that I crystallized, I am probably going to sell those as well, if anyone is interested in those. What else? I think that's pretty much it, actually. I shall stop waffling on. I'm so sorry, I do like to waffle. I feel like I haven't caught up with you guys for ages, but I probably have. I feel like I need to do a live, and we need to have a bit of a catch up, don't we? But anyway, I'm doing an ombre on the pinky here. I've done a marble on the index, and then I've blended the popcorn acrylic over the top of that to make like an ombre with the marble, if you know what I mean. The glitter here is going to go on the pinky. I always want to say the bloody index finger. It's going to go on this one as a swoosh. Doesn't the glitter like properly matches the acrylic colours? I'm trying to do a swoosh. I am so rubbish at swooshes. I think I've done it though. Oh, I love the glitter so much. Oh, I love it. This nail, I tell you also what I didn't like about this set was that the tips, I tried to narrow the tips at the free edge, but they were still quite thick. They wide, sorry, not thick. They were wide, and I don't like wide nails. Like square. People sometimes do wide square nails. I don't really like those, and I feel like these were probably a little bit like that. I should have tapered them off a little bit more. So yeah, you guys are probably going to say, oh, they're fine, but you just when it's your own your own work and stuff, you're looking at it thinking, oh, I wish I'd done that different. I'm going to put a little bit of acrylic over the top of this nail now, and into that uncured or not set acrylic, I'm going to put some glitter. This is going to be a full nail of glitter. Sometimes I will pick the glitter up with a small wet bead of clear acrylic, and sometimes I'll put the acrylic thinly on the nail and then put raw glitter over that uncured acrylic. Just depends how I feel. But either way will work. If you pick the glitter up with an acrylic bead, make sure that bead is small and wet, because you don't want to add lots of bulk to the nail. How pretty is that? I actually quite like that marble now that I thought I'd mucked up. It's not that bad. But once I'm happy with everything, I will then cap it in my clear acrylic. And I hate videoing me doing this. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I feel really self-conscious about doing acrylic sets for everyone to see. I think it's because I don't do many. And do you know what? I've been desperate for a little while to do a hard gel set. I really want to do some hard gel nails. I keep watching Karen's on YouTube. She does some really lovely hard gel sets. And I'm like, oh, I really want to do that. I don't know what it is about hard gel. I just find it a little bit faffy. I love it, but I suppose it's all faffy really, isn't it? Even acrylic's faffy. Maybe I'm too lazy, and this is why I've been doing gel polish sets for like ever. There we go. I'm going to do the rest, and then I'm going to leave them. No, I'm not going to leave them. I'm going to file them. So now I am top coating them. It's top coating time. I haven't said that for ages. Sorry about all the sniffing. I don't know if I'm sniffing a lot. Probably am. Probably doing it, not even realising. Look how pretty the glitter is. Those acrylic powders, the blue one as well, has got a nice shimmer to it. So, and this pink one has got... Oh, by the way, popcorn has got a... Popcorn, the cover colour, has got like little flakes through it as well. It's a bit of a mess there. I don't like my shaping. I really struggle to file and get the shape nice on longer nails because I'm not really used to doing longer nails. I only started doing longer nails since I started using my Alina hand. This one looks really bulky as well. Maybe it is. I don't know. It just seemed really bulky. And then the marble. I actually really like the marble. Yeah, look at that. Look at that ring finger. That needs a file. It's a bit misshapen, a bit wobbly. I can't speak. It's a bit wibbly wobbly. It needs refining. You know, it's one of those sets that you think, shall I put it on YouTube? And I haven't got any other videos, so I'm going to have to. Okay, I'm using now Madame Glam's gel paint. This is the white one. It's really difficult using gel paints on a shiny surface. This is why I usually do stuff like this on a matte surface, because it doesn't wander everywhere. I felt like this wanted to sort of go for a walk a bit. I'm doing a little, like, outlining that smile line. And then I'm going to use Diamond Dust glitter. So I've used a glitter that I don't normally use, and I've used a glitter that I love. So I think I've done all right. I'm going to sprinkle the Diamond Dust glitter into that uncured gel paint. And because the gel paints, Madame Glam's gel paints, cure without a tacky layer, you don't have to really worry about that. And then I know this looks incredibly messy. It's probably the right word, which it is. It is really messy. What was I going to say? Yeah, I just was doing some like fish scales to make it a little bit of a mermaidy theme, because the glitter is called Under the Sea, and I thought, well, let's just do a bit of a, a sea theme. So I'm going to put the, what are they called? The scales are going to go all the way to the bottom of the nail. Okay, then like before, we're gonna sugar the gel paint before it's cured with the beautiful Diamond Dust glitter. I don't know if I've said, I probably have, but you can get 10% off any nail sugar glitters using my code NATMUG10. I will link Rachael Wilder's website, and Nail Sugar's website is always in the description box anyway with the discount code. In fact, all the websites with any discount codes I do will be in the description box. And yeah, that is them finished. I'm not 100% happy with them, but they was all right. I was like, do you know what? Let's just stick them on YouTube. I didn't want to do them again. So anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I love you all so much. Thank you for your support, and I will see you all tomorrow.